Hello students. So we were doing trigonometric functions, right? And we were doing identities. So we had done sin A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B. Let's derive the identity tan A plus B. Okay. So tan A plus B is given by tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay, so we have to start by this LHS. We have tan A plus B. So we can write tan in terms of sin and cos, that is sin A plus B upon cos A plus B. Now we can expand this, that is we have the identity sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay, and cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay. Now we have to divide numerator and denominator by cos A cos B. Okay. Dividing numerator and denominator by cos A cos B. Okay. So this term will be what? Sin A cos B upon cos A cos B. We can distribute that, right? Cos A cos B upon cos A cos B. This is our numerator. Then cos A cos B upon cos A cos B minus sin A sin B upon cos A cos B. Okay, so this gets cancelled. Also this and not this, cos B cos B. Okay, so sin A upon cos A is tan A. Okay, plus here this is not getting cancelled. Sorry, this is sin B, right? So sin B upon cos B is tan B upon 1. This is 1 minus sin A upon cos A tan A into sin B into sin B upon cos B tan B. So this is our RHS. Okay. So same way we can do it for minus sign, that is A minus B. So for A minus B you can write here minus. So this will be plus. Okay. For A minus B, you have to take A minus B, sin A minus B, cos A minus B. So this will be plus, this will be minus. Okay. Same way you have to divide. So it will be minus plus. Okay. Same way, get the result for cot A plus B and cot A minus B. So cot A plus B is cot A cot B minus 1 upon cot A plus cot B. Okay, so cot is cos upon sine. So you have to write cot A plus B as cos A plus B upon sine A plus B. Cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. sin A plus B, sin A sin B, cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay. Now here you have to divide by, you want cot, right? So we want cos upon sin. So you have to divide by sin A sin B. Numerator and denominator by so cos A cos B upon sin A sin B minus sin A sin B upon sin A sin B on sin A cos B upon sin A sin B plus cos A sin B upon sin A sin B. So this whole term goes here, sin A sin A sin B sin B. So this is nothing but cos upon sin cot A cot B minus 1 upon cot A plus cot B. Okay, so same way it is for minus. So this will be minus, this will be plus, this will be minus. Okay. Next we have cos of 2x. These identities are very important. Okay, cos 2x. So cos 2x you can write it as cos of x plus x, right? So using the identity cos A plus B, you will get cos x into cos x, cos A plus into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Okay. So this will be cos square x minus sin square x. This is our first identity. Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Okay. Then we can substitute here using the identity sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Cos square x is nothing but 1 minus sin square x. So 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x. So this will be 1 minus 2 sin square x. This is the third one. Okay. So I'll write here cos 2x. This is first. Then we can write this as this. Again, if you substitute in this sin square x as 1 minus cos square x. Okay. So this will be 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay, this is another one. Then we have in terms of tan also. Okay, so after this you have to divide. This is nothing but divide by 1, right? Nothing is there, so it is 1. 1 we can write it as sin square x plus cos square x. So I will write cos square x plus sin square x. Okay. Now you have to divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So it will be cos square x upon cos square x minus sin square x upon cos square x divided by cos square x upon cos square x plus sin square x upon cos square x. Okay. So this gets cancelled and you'll get 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. So this is another cos 2x identity, tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Okay. So like we have cos 2x, we also have sin 2x. Sin 2x, can write it as sin x plus x. So this is sin a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So both are same. So it will be 2 times sin x into cos x. So this identity is sin 2x. Okay. Next is in terms of tan. So again, this we can write it as divide by 1 2 sin x into cos x upon sin square x plus cos square x. Okay, dividing numerator and denominator by cos square x, you will get now here there is no plus sign, right? Cos square x plus cos square x upon cos square x. So you can cut this. One of this goes, so remains is 2 sin x upon cos x, which is 2 tan x upon sin square x upon cos square x is tan x, tan square x plus 1 or 1 plus tan square x. Okay, sin 2x is 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. So we have one more identity which is in terms of tan 2x. So tan 2x you can again write it as tan x plus x. So here you have to use the identity tan a plus b. Okay. So tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. So this is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Okay. This is tan 2x. Next one is sin 3x. Sin 3x. Sin 3x, you can write it as sin 2x plus x. So using sin a plus b, sin 2x into cos x plus cos 2x into sin x. So we have identities for sin 2x and cos 2x. Okay. Now this sin 3x is given in terms of sin, that is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So we have to convert this cos, both the cos into sin form, right? So sin 2x you can write it as 2 sin x into cos x. Okay. And what about cos 2x? You can write it as 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay. So this will be what? 2 sin x into cos square x plus sin x you can multiply inside. So it will be sin x minus 2 sin cube x. Okay. So this is cos square x. You can write it as again 1 minus this is cos 2x. This is cos square x. So our first identity sin square x plus cos square x. 1 minus sin square x. We are converting all the cos. Okay. Because we want answer in terms of sin. So again multiplying inside you will get 2 sin x minus 2 sine cube x plus sine x minus 2 sine cube x. Okay. So 2 sine x plus sine x is 3 sine x, and minus 2 is minus 4 sine cube x. Okay. So this is our next identity, which is sine 3x equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. Similarly, we have identity cos 3x. Okay, start with same thing, that is cos 2x plus x. So this is cos 2x cos x minus sin 2x sin x. Okay, so cos 2x, you can write it in terms of cos, that is 2 cos square x minus 1 into cos x. And here sin 2x, you can write it as 2 sin x into cos x into sin x. So this sin x and this sin x becomes sin square x. Cos x you can multiply inside 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x, and sin square x you can write it as 1 minus cos square x. Okay. Multiplying inside plus x. So 2 cos cube x, 2 cos cube x becomes 4 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x is minus 3 cos x. Okay, so this is cos 3x. Okay. Next is tan 3x. So for tan 3x, again the same thing you have to use. Tan 3x, you can take it as tan 2x plus x, then applying a plus b, tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. Okay. Now you have to use in place of tan 2x, you have to substitute the formula for tan 2x, that is identity 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x plus tan x on 1 minus 2 tan x on 1 minus tan square x into tan x. Okay. So here you have to cross multiply. So this will be 2 tan x plus tan x into 1 tan x into tan square x is tan cube x. Okay. On I'll write this cross multiplication. 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan cube x square x. Okay. Now the denominators which are there, 1 minus tan square x and 1 minus tan square x gets cancelled. Okay, because both are same. So this will be 2 tan x plus tan x is 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan square x minus minus plus, so 3 tan square x. So this is the formula or identity for tan 3x. Okay.